Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Renegade oil change light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition to the off position. This should complete the reset process for most models, clearing the service reminder effectively and quickly. If the pedal method doesn't work, you can try resetting through the dashboard menu. Use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate the instrument cluster. Find Vehicle Info and then select Oil Life. Once there, press and hold the OK button until the oil life monitor resets. This alternative method is common for many Jeep Renegade models. After performing either reset method, always ensure the oil change indicator light is no longer illuminated. It's crucial to only perform this reset after you've completed a fresh oil and filter change. Resetting without changing the oil can lead to engine damage. Always consult your specific owner's manual for the most accurate instructions for your Jeep Renegade model. If the oil change light persists after trying both methods, carefully repeat the procedure. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to get the timing just right. A persistent light might also indicate a different underlying issue that requires professional attention. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.